Hi everyone, happy Raksha Bandhan. I hope you are doing amazing. Today I want to create a soft glam festive look because let me be honest, Rakhi is that one day where you want to look effortlessly pretty in your all selfie. Your brother refused to take it properly. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. Starting with moisturizing primer, this soothes and hydrates the skin so foundations sit better and last longer. Such an important step, especially for long festive days. Next is full coverage soft focus foundation. It gives that even flawless look but still feel lightweight, perfect for looking polished without feeling cakey. Then this ultimate cover concealer, I'm applying it under my eye and on any little marks. It brighten up the face instantly and blend it so easily. Adding a bit of contour under the cheekbone, jawline and forehead just to bring back some warmth and sharp to my face. The next step, I'm filling my brow just enough to make them look neat and defined. It really frames the whole face. It's time to do the eyes, the most important part. I'm using professional eyeshadow palette, matte brown in the crease for depth, shimmer on the lid for the festive spark and a touch of gold in the inner corner to make brighten the eye. Then a sweep of Kajal to add the classic festive definition to the eyes. Then lastly adding mascara to lift and volume my lashes. It instantly make my eyes look bigger and more open. Eyes are done. Now it's time for blush. I'm using air blush for a soft wash of color on the cheeks. Make it such a different. It's so pigmented yet blends give you that fresh youthful flush. Setting everything with the inside banana loose powder. I like it to press it lightly under my eyes on my T-zone so my base doesn't crease or get shiny. It also gives that soft matte air blush look. It's time for highlighter. Just a touch on the cheekbone, bridge of the nose. It adds that soft glow that looks beautiful in natural light and in pictures. Finishing with inside hydrating gloss. It keeps the lips moisture and give them that fresh glossy finish, perfect for a light festive vibe. Finally setting everything with a setting spray. This locked the makeup in place so it lasted through the day even after the selfie, hugs and food. And yeah, that's it for my quick and easy Rakhi makeup look. It didn't even took me hours, still it looks so good. Wishing you all happy Raksha Bandhan. See you guys in next time. Bye.